Hey, let me quickly show you how you can connect HDMI cable into the Xiaomi TV from the A series. So first of all, you just have to rotate your TV like so, and as you can see, you can find two HDMI inputs. The first one, it actually supports the RRC. The second one doesn't actually support. So in this specific case, we have to actually input our cable like this. In that position, we have to put it over here, and now we just have to push it. So let me do this. There we go. Now as you can see, it is connected, and when you take a look on the front on our TV, we should get some kind of the pop-up notification. But if it is not working, just grab your remote controller, click on this button, and we have to switch source for HDMI cable. But of course, I have to just turn on my PC. I just forget this because, by the way, I just connect this TV into my PC. And now as you can see, we can already find a signal for HDMI first. So what you have to do, grab remote controller, go for it, and make sure that it is actually selected. And now as you can see, we'll get a preview and we'll actually start turning it on. So this is everything. Hope you find it useful.